How to find Binance PAYID. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Binance is already installed on a device. If not, you can easily head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then install the application on a device. Once the application has been installed, open the app. You have to enter your login credentials like your user ID and the password. Once you have entered, click on Login and then log in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Binance. Now click on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. It will land you on the page where you will be able to see your PAYID. Over here, you will be able to see the option of copying your PAYID. You can use this PAYID in order to send and receive the cryptos on Binance. Let's say you want to send the cryptos on Binance. You will have to click on Send. And then here you will need to enter the payee's email address or enter the Binance ID. Once you have entered, click on Continue. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find your Binance PAYID. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you on the next one.